So now we'll see how to buy American stocks from India. There are three ways for that. The first one is direct way. There are many companies which offer the US stocks in India with having a tie-up in American companies. There are ICICI, Axis Bank, Kotak. You can take the account and you can buy it, but it has many disadvantages. As when you're buying, you need to buy in US dollars, so you need to pay the conversion charges, and when you want to sell it, again you need to pay the conversion charges. So it's like you need to pay two times, and the minimum conversion fee and brokerage charges is $6. If you want to buy a stock of just $1, still you need to pay $6 commission. It's very high. And if you withdraw the money by selling the stocks below 3 years, then you have to pay 20% of the tax for the US government as a short-term capital gain. So the best way to do is the indirect or the mutual funds and ETF way. Indirect, this is the best way, which I'll show you here. The one of the best stock exchange in the world is TD Ameritrade. Here you can see it's the best stock exchange. You can just go to tdameritrade.com and you can click a start new account, open an individual account. You can give all the details here. You can select the country as a India. You can give all the details. You can go next, personal information. Just need to give financial information, and you can upload your Aadhaar card. Later you can just submit your documents. They'll open an account for you, and it's a zero commission fee trading account. Just need to add money into the account. You can buy, sell American stocks. The other one is Robinhood, which mostly many Americans use, and it has a net worth of $11 billion. It just started like 2 to 3 years back, and it's very huge, popular among the youth. Here you can see, it will show you what are the options you have, stocks you hold, and how much you earn in a day, in a week, and in a month. It will show you, and overall how much you are in, are you in a profit or a loss. It will show you everything, and they'll give you a margin to you. If you have a $2,000 invested in the account, they'll give you 2,000 more with just 5% interest rate. It's like for $2,000 every day you need to pay 20 cents, which is very cheap. And here you can see the news. They'll show you the company top movers, everything, like the stocks you hold, is it a profit today or a loss today, everything. They even allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And here we have many companies. In the upcoming video you can see how the American stock market works. I'll show you that. It's the best, interesting and fun topic. You can see many companies increases a lot in a day. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.